3rd January 2026. Welcome all faces to Dharma. Knowing clearly, clearly knowing. When you got knowing mindfully and consciously, you got clear knowing. Okay? Now, clear knowing by knowing clearly what you are doing. You touch your arm. Can you know clearly? Know clearly, that means you know clearly how soft, how gentle. If you just, okay, knowing, touching, everybody can know. But if you would like to develop more clear knowing, you need to know clearly. Know clearly how soft, how gentle. You get clear knowing. Okay? Knowing clearly, clearly knowing. Knowing clearly your breathing. Everybody know breathing in, breathing out, but the problem is not know clearly. Not know clearly, you got calmness, but no power of mind. Okay? Power of mind, you need to develop knowing clearly how soft, how gentle your breathing every moment, sometimes soft, even softer, gently, more gently. Sometimes when it becomes soft and gentle, you fall asleep. Okay? That is, you need to develop more knowing clearly, even soft, gentle, very gently, very soft, softer. Can you know clearly all emptiness? What not emptiness is knowing clearly every moment of breathing. How to know clearly every moment of breathing? Breathing in into space. All emptiness. What emptiness, what not emptiness is only knowing clearly, breathing every moment. But you worry too much. You knowing breathing, now how long the breathing? Go to your chest, you feel your chest, you feel the body inside, but you forgot feeling your breathing clearly and nothingness, only breathing only. Okay? If you do very good mindfulness awareness clearly on one object, not concentration only. Concentration, maybe you can put concentration on your breath. But if you concentration on your breath and knowing clearly, mindfully, you got more awareness of the whole breathing, movement, the whole movement of breathing. Even soft, you still knowing clearly. Even gently, you still knowing clearly. This is clear consciousness will wake up. Okay? So, also now, your eye look at the Buddha statue. First, you just look. Okay, you got mindfulness, concentration, look. But how about, can you look and see clearly? And can you look more, seeing clearly? More clearly, more clearly. You got power of mind. Power of mind, now you lose your power of mind because your mind sleeping in subconsciousness. Okay? So only consciousness on your eyes see clearly. Then you got power of mind or more conscious mind wake up. Okay, clear. That is, you got full awareness. You got awareness, just aware, breathing in, breathing out. Okay, you get calmness. But if you clear, it becomes full awareness, like a big mirror wake up. Okay, like big mirror wake up. You can see clearly from a big mirror. And seeing only on one object clearly. So seeing from the big mirror is coming up from here. Okay? And your mind undistracted. Before you focus your breathing, but your mind, your heart still distracted. Okay? Distracted. Swaying. So you must develop, watch, notice your mind, got good mindfulness, still, and then awareness of more space and consciousness. Clear consciousness mind become clear mirror. Whatever happening on your breathing, soft, gentle, or rough, you got knowing clearly knowing. So today, if you can develop knowing clearly, you can sit for half an hour now. Your mind not distracted. Okay? And clearly it comes from your heart awareness, wake up. Okay? So it right now, okay now, you just start from clearly seeing your body first. Now the problem is you not have good enough mindfulness on your body. Can you see your eyes see in front? Your consciousness see your bodily movement from behind. Can you see? Okay? How? Feeling relaxed. Then it becomes expanding with space and consciousness. Okay? Feeling relaxed now. More relaxed. More calm and more relaxed. More mindfulness awareness on the first pillar, bodily movement, bodily action. So we start from bodily movement, body action. Now, can you just exercise and can you see from a clear mirror behind? See yourself? You still don't have a clear mirror because you only put concentration on me. Can you balance together? There are power of concentration. Look at me. Power of mindfulness. Notice yourself. Power of awareness. Clear knowing yourself. Okay? Or more conscious. Okay? For example, very clear seeing when you got Pfizer injection. Wow. Your eye go the other way. But the moment you got injecting medication with the silent, your mind attentively, mindfulness of every moment the doctor put injection, and then you got attentively. Notice attentively. More attentively. You got your mind not distracted. And then more attentively and relaxed. Not scary. And consciously. Attentively with consciously. It looks like you got you got a halo. Your mind wake up like a halo. You know halo? Okay? Your eye, now your mind no halo because everything very easy. just do thing very easy, then no halo. But when you do thing mind-free dive, then, for example, you walk in the darkness, immediately you got brilliant mind, the clear mind wake up like you got a halo. Okay? See this person walking clearly from clear conscious mind, as clear as a halo wake up. Now you don't have halo because you only use your concentration from your head. I just tell you, notice together, notice and aware, notice and aware. Then aware will wake up more consciousness mind to higher consciousness like a halo. Okay? You got your eye look this way, but it look like your mind become a halo. See the doctor injecting Pfizer, maybe 10 seconds. You close your eye, but the halo so big. Seeing clearly, seeing clearly, seeing clearly. Okay, finish. Now, develop more higher consciousness. Okay? You don't have higher consciousness, that's the problem. Because you're not balanced. You must balance together. Concentration on me, but sensing yourself, how you sit, how you move. Sensing more with space, sensing more with space, and awareness of the whole body, especially on behind. Can you get awareness on behind? Okay? On behind, like you see movement. Okay? Oh, like this. The halo wake up. You know darting game? Darting game. Darting. Now, pretend. Do darting game now. Now, pretend. Darting and stay there. You got awareness, see yourself. Stay there. Wake up. Now you got a halo. Okay? Darting game again. Now, everybody do darting game. You got singleness of mind, wake up. Do it now, everybody, very important. If you not do, you cannot understand what I mean. Darting game. Now, put darting. Not at me, at something. Darting. A halo. Okay? You got brilliant mind, conscious mind wake up. That's why I tell you, sit upright and look up. It become a halo, but small halo. Okay? Okay? When you do concentration on your eye, halo disappear. You look at your wife, your husband, halo disappear. Okay? But if you look at yourself, okay, you got halo. And if you can look at body outside and then body inside, 4 elements, your eye with me, can you notice 4 elements of the body? You got halo. Okay? And can you notice more 4 elements clearly? Temperature, can you notice temperature? More halo. Okay. Can you notice element? Element not only breathing, everywhere. It's expanding. It becomes space and consciousness together. Like you got a halo. Okay. And can you notice earth element? Eating. Mindfully. You got clear seeing from the halo. Okay? drinking. Can you see clearly on your tongue movement? You got clear seeing the halo. Okay? Can you see temperature in your mouth? Look at me, your eye with me, and sit upright. When you sit upright or look up, halo wake up. Now look up. Now look up and see temperature in your mouth. When you look up, no thought. If you not look up, thought come. Look up, no thought. And thought disappear, the darkness gone, the halo, the light come up. Can you see clearly every moment you chewing, eating, drinking? Can you see saliva in your mouth? A big halo wake up. Can you see temperature in your mouth? A big halo wake up. Can you see clearly your breathing smoothly, gently, softly? Can you see movement of your breathing clearly? Halo wake up. Then you got somebody do meditation without halo, no power of mind. Somebody do meditation with halo, got a lot of power of mind. Okay? Power of mind is how you get more consciousness, higher consciousness. It look like you got a halo. Okay? Now your eye with me. All in the knowing of your conscious mind. Movement in the knowing, movement in the seeing of higher conscious mind. More you play that game, wow, halo more expanding. Okay? Or you play golf, more you play golf, and stay there. Halo wake up. Okay? So that's why your eye seeing 100 yard take off, the halo seeing how you hit the ball. Okay? So next time we play golf here, okay? Oh, okay? Halo wake up. Play badminton, tennis. When you just play for fun, play for exercise, no halo. When you got competition, strong and clear hit, strong and clear swinging, halo wake up. So that's why somebody play sport, no power of mind. Somebody play sport, a lot of power of mind, the same. Somebody do meditation for a sleep. Somebody got power of mind. Somebody got more power of mind. It depends on clear knowing, clear seeing, like a big mirror, wake up or not. Okay? So now smile, big smile on your face, big smile on your eye. Can you see widely? Your eye got space, then the halo expand. Your eye got consciousness, the halo with clear consciousness mind. This is, we go to this state, we call higher consciousness. This is got power and knowledge. Okay? But now, more people know halo, just dark, getting dark. Then better go to sleep better. So that's why I am dynamic teacher. Okay? Because I can relax. Okay, here, halo. I talk from the halo. I see you from the halo. Okay? Now, your eye, my eye. Your mind, my mind. Your mind before lost in thought. Now your eye connect to your mind When connect, it become a halo. Okay? Look, this is concentration. From the access. Access is inside, is the opening the halo. That's why we call it access. It opening space and consciousness. One word, halo. Okay? Now, just can you connect your eye to your mind? Then it become halo. Okay? You cannot connect. You look and thought. You got thought. Look and thinking. This is obstruction. Okay? Can you look from the inner with attention? So notice, everybody learn to notice breathing. But today, notice breathing, every moment of breathing in attentively. Hello, wake up. Okay? You just, everybody say, just know your breathing. Just know your breathing, you fall asleep. Okay? Notice attentively. Your eye with me, but can you notice on your breathing how soft, subtle, gently? Notice with relaxation first. First relaxation. After relaxation, more clear awareness, more attention. Relax first, okay, and then more attention. Now you got a halo. When you talk to people, people trust you. Okay? When you talk to your children listen to you. Okay? And now can your eye and your conscious mind is here. Okay? So that's why wake up. When you close your eye, the halo fall asleep. Then you have to look up. Then the halo open up. Okay? Look up and don't do anything first. Then you got realize a little halo wake up. That is a glimpse of light come up. And then feeling together. Feeling your breathing when you look up, then you feeling whatever and feeling and notice. Feeling your breathing and notice from here. Okay? Feeling your breathing in and notice your eye open. Because your eye can expand the halo. Because your eye got eye consciousness. Can you see clearly things around, like panoramic view? Can you see? Then a halo more expanding. So that's why how to turn inwards. See clearly from this side to this side. See clearly with eye wide angle view. Okay? Wide angle. Then expand. It look like the halo wake up. Okay? When you walk in the darkness, your eye open widely or not. When you walk in the darkness, and then you can see yourself from the halo. If you got halo, then this halo, your spirit there. Your spirit there. If you trust in God, you got halo. You connect to God. You trust in the Buddha, you got halo, you connect to the Buddha. Okay? I connect to all God in this world. Go to China, Malay, Singapore, Kuan Im. I just come to my halo. I connect to Kuan Im. I connect to Jesus. When I go to church, I go to the halo. I just trust in Jesus. I connect. Okay? This is the access to connect to your God, okay? This is your spirit. And your spirit more sustainable with loving kindness. Okay, loving kindness. So now you know Bodhidharma teaching how to do meditation. He is the one who teach opening eye meditation. He sit in the small cave for 9 years. First, I have thought he facing the wall. He closed his eye open eye. I just found his teaching in Lankavatara Sutta. In this sutta, just saying, opening eye meditation is more powerful because if you can, that means when you open eye, you see not by your physical eye, you see from your mind sight. This is eye sight, this is mind sight. Okay, can you wake up consciousness mind or mind sight? See yourself, eye sight, seeing people, mind sight, seeing yourself. Now you don't have mind sight. You hold happily eye sight, then you have thought. Okay? That's why I like, there is a meditation center, mind sight meditation. Very good. Good name, mind sight meditation. Oh, they know how to go to mind, become mind sight. Okay? Now aware, notice and aware and notice, you got mind sight. Okay? And then notice and aware clearly how. Notice your bodily movement, touching, how to notice and see clearly. Feel, can you feel? Okay? Now, can you feel weather in this room? Can you feel atmosphere in this room? Can you? My sight very fully wake up. Okay? Because you got body consciousness, eye consciousness, seeing master, seeing yourself, body consciousness, awareness of the weather in this room. Okay? And if you got awareness of weather outside, how about can you get awareness of 4 elements of body? My sight become clear and clear awareness. So that's why I tell you, not you are doing mindfulness of breathing, not you focus your breathing, but just feeling yourself, this body not you, it's only 4 elements. Feeling your breathing is air element. Okay? Feeling your body who are sitting and breathing in and out is 4 elements. So who doing meditation? Not you. You get more feeling and aware of 4 elements doing meditation. 4 elements breathing in. 4 elements breathing out. When you are doing meditation, you got self in the practice, my sight disappear. Okay? But if you just realize this body into 4 elements, 4 elements breathing in, 4 elements breathing out, 4 elements having lunch, 4 elements having breakfast. Now you lost in thought because not 4 elements having lunch, you having lunch, then you select, choose this one very delicious, this one very good, then you got formation of mind. So my teacher, one of my teacher, he said, when you go to the forest, you got food from the morning, you have no cook, you have no kitchen. Maybe you have food early morning, 6 o'clock, you have lunch 11 o'clock, you have no microwave. Maybe some food may be spoiled, not good. But if you just contemplate, nah, not you have food, for element, eating for element, eating for element. The Buddha tell us to contemplate your clothes, your food, your housing, your medicine into four elements. Okay, then you got a lot of benefit because four elements, then it will have a good benefit to your body. You got healthiness. Okay, but if you eat this is banana, this is potato, you have less benefit. If you regard everything is four element, and four element repair four element because you get aging, four element getting old and aging and get sick, you need four element to repair four element. So you contemplate four element, eating four element, eating four element, then four element will repair four element, you got healthiness, more healthiness. So that's why sometimes food maybe you cannot cook. You have food and you have to eat, and maybe you get some food from the forest, okay? And then maybe it is spoiled, okay? But if you contemplate four element, eating four element, eating four element, then you got no sickness, okay? Because you eat four element, you not eat spoiled food, okay? You understand? So my master told me, you are a vegan, but much better, more than vegan. Four element, eat four element. This is much better than vegan. Okay, because the Buddha just tell you whatever you receive, you eat it. Okay, you cannot choose vegetarian food, but the Buddha tell you to contemplate what you eat, contemplate into four elements. This is more benefit than the vegan. Okay, you understand now? And now, why more benefit? You got conscious mind better. Every day, contemplate food, contemplate medicine, contemplate clothes, contemplate. All is four elements, all is four elements. Then this is knowledge to develop meditation. Before you have concentration to develop meditation, but this knowledge is high consciousness to wake up, because you got caught in conceptual thought. Conceptual thought, this is that, this is this, but everything is four elements. Then you free from conceptual thought. No coffee, only four elements. If you do this way, your mind calm and clear. You got as clear like a big mirror. Because no conceptual thought, no concept. This is coffee, this is espresso, this is cappuccino, this no, everything is only four elements. Okay. Now four elements, breathing in. Four elements, breathing out. Clear mind, wake up. Okay? That's right. So, meditation only not enough. So that's why you need meditation with mindfulness and wisdom. Okay? Now, four elements, breathing in. Awareness of this person into four elements, and breathing also air element. So actually I want you to just learn to know clearly each element first before you can understand more how to know clearly breathing. Breathing is also air element. That's right. Breathing is also element. Now, for example, easy for temperature. Can you know temperature of the whole body? Can you know? And close, not close your eye, Close your eye, you cannot know clearly because you focus. But open eye, we not focus. We see it. See the way it is. See the way it is from here. You know how to focus. If you want to focus the temperature, notice. Close your eye, you get your habit to focus by your thought, your brain. Try to look at like focus something must be in front of you and look and focus. Then your breathing. Before I focus my breathing, you know, when I was very young, 16 years old, I follow my breathing. Breathing in long. Breathing out long. My body just twisted. Oh, I got big trouble. Okay. Now I not focus by eye. I notice mindfully. That's why I tell you, focus the Buddha statue first. Only in front one object, the Buddha statue. But right concentration means notice yourself together. Okay? Look at the Buddha statue. How you can notice this body is sitting. Then notice sitting and it not do anything, only breathing, sitting and breathing. Notice how sitting and breathing. You know, I just look at me, listen to me again. You focus your breath. This is samatha meditation. You notice your breathing. This is vipassana meditation. Okay? You focus your step. This is samatha meditation. You notice stepping. This vipassana meditation. So the Buddha say mindfulness of breathing, but you do concentration of the breath. Okay? The Buddha teaching you vipassana meditation with mindfulness of breathing. Breathing means the movement. But you forget your breath and visualize your breath. Then you got samatha meditation. To focus your breath, you need your brain. To visualize your breath, you need more your brain to visualize, to imagine, to visualize. Okay? But to see your breathing, you don't have to look at your breath. You look at me. Can you see, are you breathing or not? You're breathing from behind, from awareness, consciousness. Okay? So that is, look at me, but see yourself, how you're sitting, how you're breathing. And look at darting and see the way you dart. You got a halo. Okay? So now, we just see from my side. How to see from my side? More relaxed. First, I tell you relax the whole body, but you forgot. You got stuck here. Can you just a bit massage? Okay? Then you feel more relaxed here? More relaxed, more consciousness here. Even you look at me, you consciousness of temperature, warm, cool of the body, you consciousness here, from here. You consciousness and seeing more and more by consciousness, how warm, how cool, the temperature of your body, how hardness, softness, relaxing of earth element. Here, consciousness mind. This is monkey mind. Okay? Before you close your eye, make sure you do concentration from consciousness mind. How? Notice. How to focus yourself? Notice. Because if you notice, Even you look up me at me, can you notice how soft, hard of the cushion? Can you notice? Okay. If you look at me, the breathing in long. Can you notice? You don't have to try to focus breathing in long by your eye because you focus from your mind. Notice. And notice, you can notice all direction. Can you notice your right shoulder even your eye look at me? Can you notice? I breathe. I can notice. I can notice. Okay. Can you notice left shoulder? Your eye with me? Can you notice your back? Now stretching up your back a little by little. Can you notice? Can you notice the spine straight up? So this I notice you can see 360. So that's why concentration on yourself we notice from our mind. Then otherwise, when you not notice, you look at your breathing, then you have to, when you look at here, you look okay in front. When go down, then your eye have to go down and look. And then your breathing not only here go down, breathing is go inside, then you have to look. You make big mistake. Okay? Understand now? So look in front. The Buddha used the word mindfulness in front. Your eye not go up, not go down, not focus direct on your object on breathing, but your eye go up. Then your mind, conscious mind wake up. Then you got always mindfulness at the present moment, breathing in, notice, more notice, and relax together. Then your mind become more space and more halo. Okay, understand now. It need time. I tell you today, but we need maybe 3 days, 4 days to wake up your mind become more conscious mind. It need time. I understand because you got stuck. You get your habit. So today, every time before you do meditation, practice opening eye meditation first. Make sure you can notice from your mind, not look from your brain, not look from your eye. Okay? Look from your eye, it go to your thought. Okay? Notice from your mind, it go to emptiness. Okay? Now, only relax. First, I told you this morning, relax the whole body. But today, more relax here. Okay? More awareness from here. This is brainstem area. Is the headquarters of thought. If you not relax, it got magnet web to your brain, become thought. If you relax, the magnet web disappear, it become neutral. Okay? Opening eye meditation. And see why. Then your mind, the mind side become more space and consciousness become, you got a halo. You feel like you got a halo, see yourself. Now I can look this way, but my mind got halo. Okay? My mind not move. Okay? My mind already got halo. My mind see myself from consciousness, more consciousness, high consciousness, it become halo. Okay? And then I just more relax, and relax my body, halo expand. Relax my heart, my mind, halo more expand. My mind become halo as big as this room. Okay? So whatever your mind disappear, I know. I just remind you, come back. Because my mind wake up already. Those who not wake up, I know. Then I know how to teach you to wake up. because I got high consciousness or halo wake up. And then I practice not only closing eye. Closing eye meditation, you can practice maybe only 1 hour or half an hour in a day. But I practice opening eye meditation. I got halo the whole day. Okay? So what the problem you got? You practice only closing eye meditation. You can practice only half an hour or 1 hour a day. But if you can practice opening eye meditation together, closing eye you practice, opening eye also practice all day, opening eye by mindfulness, notice how you eating, how you drinking, more notice it become halo. Okay? Understand now? But you never notice. You eat delicious food, you not notice, you just eat with thought. Okay? Notice. I take a shower, I notice. I sleep, I notice. Then I got halo, more sustainable. Okay? Then I just stay home. My home inside sleeping, but my home inside wake up already. Okay? When it wake up, it become halo. Okay? Or we call yana. Okay? Yana. Now just, okay, in this way, I give you lesson in this way. Don't do anything. First, sit mindfully. How you know you sit mindfully? You get more awareness. Okay? Sit mindfully first. Your eye open, sit mindfully. And how you know you sit mindfully? You got awareness of your breathing. Because you breathing every moment. When you sit mindfully, you're not lost in thought. Sit mindfully, that means you just see the way you sit. Can you see the way you sit? How you sitting? Sit mindfully. Then what you got? You got mindfulness. And now sit mindfully, what you got? You got awareness. Sit mindfully, you got mindfulness. See your body sitting, posture, movement. And then you can see when you sit, you got breathing. Sit mindfully, you see you sitting and you see how you breathing. Then breathe mindfully. Don't try to do any method. Because we go direct. The Buddha said, breathing in, knowing clearly, breathing in long, that is knowing mindfully, breathing in. When you knowing mindfully, you got the halo. Okay? When you got halo, you can know clearly, see clearly. Don't do anything. Just how you know you breathe mindfully. You breathe mindfully, you get mindfulness. More mindfulness, you get more consciousness, more awareness together. First, we practice one by one. We practice consciousness, space, but now it come together. When you breathe mindfully, you got consciousness wake up from thought, and you got consciousness wake up and expanding. Breathing in mindfully. Can you realize something? Something wake up. Breathing out mindfully. Okay? You got halo wake up. Breathing into space. More space, halo, more expanding. Okay? Breathing in into space. Into space, then you can open eye. Okay? And into space, then you're breathing long and deep and much deeper. Breathing into your heart. How? Smile and relax your heart. Now breathing with joy from your heart and breathing into space. Don't worry, breathing Go to chest, go to the navel, go to the abdomen, don't worry. It looks like the body inside is emptiness. And breathing into space, then into space is connect to consciousness mind. More breathing into space, more consciousness mind wake up from inside, more wake up, it become a halo. Okay? Now this session, breathe mindfully with awareness of space. So awareness of space from your neck behind the brainstem area by relaxing or look up first. Then you got awareness of space here. Okay? Look up, smiling up and breathing mindfully and consciously. Open eye first. Make sure you understand how breathe mindfully you got consciousness, mindfully and consciously. Breathing out, we not develop breathing, we develop consciousness. You don't know, you try to make your breathing soft, gentle. If you make it, consciousness not wake up. If you just breathe mindfully, your breathing soft, you know, gentle, you know, even loud, you know, long, you know, even short, you know, and not involved, this you get more consciousness. But people don't know. They try to breathing in long, then your consciousness dark, getting dark. Okay? Breathing mindfully and not do anything. Mindfully, then you got mindfulness. And smile. When smile, you're breathing mindfully and consciously. More smile, more relax, you got mindfulness and consciousness wake up together. Now breathe mindfully and consciously and knowing clearly how you breathe mindfully and consciously and what's happening. You got more consciousness of the whole body, more and more until it becomes full awareness, become halo. Okay? If you close your eye, difficult to wake up the halo, I told you. Because the benefit of your eye, if you can connect, see, look, and see clearly. See clearly is see clearly from the halo. Okay? So open eye will help you develop more higher consciousness by, okay, look in front, look at me, but can you see clearly, Master, all friends in the Dhamma, all surrounding in this room? The way to open eye meditation by seeing the present moment clearly from this side to this side. This is good concentration. You see clearly everything in front and 180. Can you see clearly? See clearly in front, you see Master. And you can see all friends sitting together. You not sit alone. Can you see clearly? When you see clearly, you have no thought. And you can see clearly the atmosphere in this room, surrounding in this room. Now opening eye meditation, seeing clearly, sitting and breathing and all surrounding. And then seeing clearly, attentively, it comes from here. Attention. Before you do concentration without attention, you do wrong concentration. Right concentration, you can see clearly. You just have your conceptual thought. Focus an object. The object must be very small. Then you focus your breath. No, the object can be big as a mountain. You can focus the mountain. The object can be big as the sky. Can you focus the sky? The focus can be small or big. Okay? So people, Master, I see everything. How I can get good concentration? No, concentration object can small or big or as big as the nature. Can you focus the nature? The nature not only small or spot, the nature so big. More you can focus as big as the nature, it becomes singleness of mind. Okay? So can you focus not only breathing in, can you focus this person sitting and breathing? If in the beginning we focus only small object, it's easy to focus. But after that you need to practice focus big object. That means including this person sitting and breathing. And when you focus this person sitting and breathing, then you can see sensation of this person together. More you can focus the present moment clearly. Yourself is not only breathing. Yourself is you are sitting and breathing, and not you. 4 elements. Can you focus 4 elements sitting and breathing? Now this session, notice and aware of actually this person, not you, is 4 elements. Can you see clearly 4 elements sitting? Then you can see clearly all the 4 elements, warm and cool. And can you see clearly air element? You know, the next lesson you must be able to see clearly each element. Start from air element, and then other element. You know, before finish, I talk about my master. My master, very good concentration on 4 elements. Okay, on 4 elements. So when you regard breathing in, breathing out, you only focus here in your nostril. But when you regard breathing in is air element, you can realize air element not only into your nostril, air element just go inside and go everywhere. Okay? My master got skill in mindfulness of air element, not only in and out, but everywhere. Then about 50 years ago, about 1967, okay? 1967, my master got on the tour, pilgrimage to India with a group of monks and about a group of lay people. 1967, okay? That time my master about 47 years old. He passed away 80 years, okay? That time he go with a very spiritual monk, okay? 5 monks, okay? But one evening the train broke down, okay? The guy or the tour leader just worried, it's getting dark and people really hungry and the train broke down. Then they asked, Venerable, please, blessing, move the train. He asked every master, move the train. Now we getting dark and old people are getting tired from the pilgrimage, okay? And then every master just blessing, the train not move. They just, now let the novice, because the young monk, because my master ordained 47, about 40 years, about 45 years, and he got only 2 vassa, 1 vassa or 2 vassa. Then try, okay? Then he is a young monk, only to Vasa. Okay, he just go in front of the train and he go to Anapanasati, breathing element, and then immediately he hold the train move, and everybody sit on the train and he move the train by air element, okay? My master very skillful with Anapanasati, air element, okay? So now in Rishikesh, after the pilgrimage, everybody went back Thailand. My master just went to visit Rishikesh, stay there 5 months. Okay, my master one day there is a yogi, the Ramadas, the chief of yogi, tell his disciple to invite my master to join the group. My master knowing immediately, because yogi always psychic power. He want to test Thai monk got psychic power or not. My master know immediately. Then my master just with Anapanasati, awareness of air element. The two guys running after my master cannot run after my master. My master walk like flying in the sky. Go to the Ganga River 20 minutes before the two men. 20 minutes. The two men just, oh, how you walk? I cannot run after you. You are, oh, but you walk very fast. No, he walk with Anapanasati. He just awareness of air element. Then the body become flying like air element, flying in the air. Okay, and then he get to the destination 20 minutes before. Then after that, arrive at the yogi conference. The master of yogi Ramadasi invite my master sitting opposite with a fire in between. The yogi very good meditation on fire element. The yogi can make the fire up, the fire down, the fire overwhelm. Oh, the yogi very powerful with fire element, but my master very powerful with Anapanasati air element. Then when the yogi just chanting make the fire up, my master with air element, and then it becomes space, cut the fire down. And then the yogi just frightened, wow, you are very powerful, you can cut the fire down. Then the yogi just chanting on fire element, concentration on fire element. Then the fire element just overwhelmed, go to my master. My master go to mindfulness of breathing and extinguish the fire completely. Okay. After that, the two masters become good friends. Okay. That's why most yogi very good at fire element. But if you very good at air element, my master said, air element, even hurricane come, air element can keep you in protection. Hurricane go other way, not come to you. Okay? Air element. So that's why, breathing in, knowing out, and for asleep, no, you must know, breathing in clearly, how to know clearly, see clearly until you can more conscious with breathing or element all day, all night, whenever something happening, you just go to breathing, then you got element come up from breathing, and element, then it can help you. Okay, I got one experience also. I just got accident when I was 20 years old in the university. I just go to the trip with my friend, 15 people. Immediately it got car accident. Immediately I cross my arm. Then it feel like breathing come out. And then I just realize the car, the van, not serious damage. It slowly fall down. And people come and see how much damage. And then it no damage. Everybody just hold up. And then drive back Bangkok. Okay? That's why maybe I have my past life I practice and then, but I don't know how to use it. But it happened. It happened from intuition. Okay, it look like everything become very light. The car fall down very light. Okay, so this is another experience. I walk, visit like you. I visit temple. One night I visit one temple in an island. It's on the mountain and it's getting dark. And it's on the temple on the pathway. It's no rail. I walk, then I fall down 3 meters. But immediately I just come to my breathing. My body just swing up and I can standing, not hit my head like a Shaolin monk, something like that. This is to experience I got from mindfulness of breathing. Okay, that's why we have more time sit there. You know, it's not only just know you're breathing in, just know you're breathing out like a baby. Knowing clearly. Everywhere. Your breathing go everywhere or not? Everywhere. Okay. How to go everywhere? Space. Relax, and more consciousness. As more and more it become like a big mirror, not here. It become here. You got the oneness of mind come out. Okay? And all in the knowing, breathing in the knowing of clear conscious mind as big as this room. Clear conscious mind, you know, you have clear conscious mind as big as this room, as big as the universe. But now you got a lot of thought, you got desire, you got anger, your clear conscious mind very small, no power. Okay? So that's why relax first. Free your mind by relax. And free your mind by relax, then just conscious knowing your breathing. Can you just conscious knowing your dressing? This is earth element. Conscious knowing temperature. This is fire element. Maybe if I got skill in fire element, then I can go to Rishikesh and then meditation on the fire. But I not practice about fire element. I practice only air element. Okay, element is good. It can extinguish the fire. Element. Then element you traveling. I traveling. First I made my traveling. I just plan to traveling around the world one time. 5 continents, more than 40 countries one time. Now I'm traveling maybe 4 rounds already. In 10 years I traveling not only 1 time, 2 times, 4 rounds to North America, South America, to European country, to Russia, to Ukraine, to China, to India, to Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, more than 4 times already. Okay. And I feel healthy because I always got my breathing in my awareness. I'm not tired. Okay, and more traveling. Then you got more mindfulness, notice and aware, notice, and with joy on your breathing in. Usually I traveling. I like this place because this place is help me to breathe and feel good. So then, now, don't forget about breathing here. Everything here is nice, especially breathing. Air element is here very nice. Breathing more. Then, even subtle breathing, you can feel more and more. Then your mind wake up. And then when you feel your breathing, it connects to the air element. Okay, but in the beginning, only breathing in and out mindfully first. Then more space, then you can know not element here in your breathing, but element everywhere of your body, element everywhere outside, inside. Then you got fulfillment of Anapanasati. you got skill to development full awareness of breathing, because breathing is not only in your nostril, it's everywhere, into your eye, into your ear, into your body. But in the beginning, we start from the nostril first. Okay, just take a breath. And what time? Next session. Or interview. You have interview 3:30? Not today. Or tomorrow. Okay, then you see the program, and then what time?
Can you do an announcement that interview starts tomorrow?
The interview start tomorrow. What time?
3:30 to 4:30.
To 4:30 in the afternoon. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just quick announcement. The interview start tomorrow. So start Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. 3:30 to 4:30. Sign up is